So I'm Pierre. I am my origin are from France. I'm over 60 years old. Now I'm retired. Before I was working at International. I have been working in South Africa, in South America, in Venezuela, in Mexico, in a lot of countries. And now during this work, sometime I was alone. My spouse was not able to come with me. So I had to find occupation to be keeping relaxed and I had different passion. The last one I got was very easy because it's watercolor. I chose watercolor because I like to drawing, I like pictures. So it's a combination. I take my picture after I paint. I find this passion, in fact, because my wife in Cameroon takes some lesson of watercolor. And after a while, she was not convinced and it was a good activity for her. She prefers to make something more manual. So I take the material and I start myself without the lesson, but I was starting there in Cameroon alone with the material and my wife was bringing for her. I started to paint in Cameroon, so it's something like 20 years ago. And sometimes I have other activity, depend where I am, but always have normally my small box and some paper in case I need to pass time. So I just jump in my paper and my box and I paint something. I have a lot of passion. I like the collection. I like to look at stone, to look at butterfly, to beetles. I was also passing a lot of time with entomologists in Africa during my weekend. And then some country difficult to have this kind of activity. So my painting was taking the place of something else, and now it's the painting which is the most important thing. Before, when I can do nothing else, I paint. When I was youngest, I need also more exercise than now. So was walking, taking picture. That's different. Now I'm more stable and paint. I like to reach and to fight with something. So I try to put me objective a little bit more each time, something more complicated, and to discover also new method, new technique, and myself. But for me, what's interesting is not to make something always easy and simple and brilliant. Sometimes even I like to paint something that's not beautiful, like rust or odd piece of wood. But what I like is the way to find the way how to do it, how to reach something interesting. Not like a picture, of course, but like my what I feel for me, according with my taste, something good for me. So when I finalize something and I can make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 watercolor on the subject, and I feel then I get it, I change. I pass to something else, another subject. But I like to mix after what I discover before, what I find out, and mix it with a new subject and using. And when I look at my previous painting, sometimes I'm happy, sometimes I'm not so happy. I don't know the time I feel. I know my best watercolor, but I don't remember how many times I fell. But at the beginning, I put a lot of paper in the garbage, yes. But I keep them. I don't put them in garbage, I keep. I say put in garbage, but it's not. I keep them. And like that, I can see the progress. My method should be, it's good to fail. And when you fail, must push you to continue and to make something better. If you feel confident, happy with what you do, for what? How to continue? There is no, you must have a challenge. And I had some time, I was looking at the watercolor of some famous guy, and my feeling was, first feeling was I stop. I will never be able to make something so brilliant, and some people will make very good aquarelle watercolor. But no problem. I can do not like them, but I try to do something good, and I'm not trying to challenge them anyway. It's what I want is to be happy myself with what I'm doing. Happiness is to feel that you are doing something, you have a result, you progress, you make it better, you become confident in what you are doing, and you manage it, and you get a result. And that's for me, that's happiness. And not disturbing anybody, not making my small aquarelle, my small watercolor in my small place. That makes me happy. So for me, for life, to have life, interesting life, you must have a passion and you must have challenge. I don't speak to climb a big mountain. Some people, their challenge, but you have to. Your challenge must be in accordance with your capacity, with your age, and if it's challenge inside the passion, it's very good. That make your life busy, your mind busy, and it's good. You feel useful for yourself at least, maybe not for everybody, but you feel busy, you feel acting, you feel you need your life, you must do, and you do. The day I will have no passion, I don't know what will happen. I think it would be, or if I cannot do anymore any passion, it will be very difficult for me. Passion is something simple to find. Can be passion for whatever, looking at the flower, looking at taking photo. I have a huge collection of mineral and stone, and I was passing a lot of time in the mountain looking at stone, finding fossils, some crystal, I had a huge collection of butterfly also when I was working with entomologists during my weekend in Cameroon, in Mexico, in Indonesia. I was collecting butterfly when I was new. At that time it was my passion. But I stopped now because there is protection of nature and so on, so butterfly. And I was doing that with entomologists and scientists. I was not making it like whatever. It was interesting. I think passion, you must look at what you would like to do and you cannot do. Or you feel you are not competent to do, or you feel how to do. And actually with the media and everything, even it's very easy to learn how to do something, whatever, how to do watercolor, and after you find your own way, but you have the main how to dry some plant to make a collection of leaf or whatever, or stone, it's very easy. But just thinking at what I would like to do today, what should be good for me, and look around of you and find something that you want to do, and sometimes, most of the time, I'm not capable to do it, and then it's become a challenge, and the challenge brings you the passion, because you have the challenge. I think if something very easy is not really passion without challenge, I think quickly the people change, leave it. For me, my principle of life, a good life should be, it's not so easy. I try to do it as much as I can. It's looking at the daily event, the live event. There is a good time, there is bad time. And in the hard event, the most important thing is to realize, and they are there. You can do nothing against them. You have to pass by there. And so, no need to stress. Try to come in your passion and let them pass. And I don't say that I don't care of anything, it's not the case, but I speak of many events when you have a relative, somebody who have a problem in life, a final problem. But what can you do, for example? You can do nothing. That's a destiny and you can do nothing. When there is a big event near of you, what to do? For me, it must be good to be quiet and relativize those events. They are there to teach you something, to make you understand something, but they are there. and you cannot avoid them, and you cannot do anything against them. So the bad events are part of the life, and you must use them to become strongest and not to become weak, because a lot of people, when they have big events, they fail. So what's important is not to fail, it's to use those events to understand what is life, real life. Real life is not fully, for some people, they think, oh, those people, they are fully happy, they have a very good life, but everybody have problems in their life. Whatever, money, even very rich people, I'm sure they have big problem with money. So what's important is to relativize the problem in the life, for myself. Reduce your stress, and what you will do will be better. Under stress, you can do nothing good, from my point of view. For me, laughing, it's much more pleasant to listen somebody who is laughing, and to make laughing somebody. It's more pleasant than to make people crying or to listen to somebody crying. Laughing is good. When you see somebody smile at you, the smile for me, it's good. It should be smiling. More you smile, more you feel happy, more you feel young, more you feel useful. Make people crying, that's not my wish. I was crying when I was young. When I was very young, I had problem. I lost my father, my mother. I was crying. That's difficult. But laughing and make people crying, I think it's more easy than make people laughing. So, and close the house, close the window, close the curtain, and stay inside. It's not for me. It's not my way. I like to express my happiness. Sometimes, I am alone, I'm laughing alone. Maybe I'm crazy, I don't know, but alone I can laugh. I'm old, but I like to make some joke. Yes, I'm well known for that. My life in the eternity. I prefer to be remembered as a simple guy who was smiling, who was not so much shouting, who was kind, who was polite, and who don't have a big head. Big head, I think, you have some people and they're so proud of themselves and even if they are really competent, if they make something very, 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 very fantastic, very good for everybody, but they are so proud, and for me, they lose the interest and they lose their personality. They are no more themselves. They are what they want to show, what they want to be, and I think it's complicated. I would not like to be like that. I like to look at me in the morning in my mirror when I'm shaving, and it's me in the mirror, it's nobody else. I'm there, I'm still there. Not acting no. I prefer to be myself. I don't know if you understand my French English is not so perfect, but I may be trying to do it in Spanish or other language, and I know if you want, English is not my best.